So this is the station number 1 of the rainwater system around the building. And from station number 1, so you'll see that we make these water mosquito proof. So we have the gauze at the top, which prevents mosquitoes from getting into the tank. Okay, and here we have our spigot here connected. And then this is where you have the runoff. So this connects to the next station 2. And so next I will just show you station 2, where this runs off leads to. So this is station 2 right here. And so the plumbing from station 1 connects to this. And then from here we go to station number 3. Okay, so we have this interconnection, but eventually what you will see happen is the water being led away to other water catchment containers that are located remotely around the property. So here we have station number 3. Okay, and once this one runs off, it joins 1 and 2. Okay, and also we have spigot connected here, so we can do some watering to the herb garden. And so next I will show you station 4. So this is actually station number 4, and again we could see the overflow runoff to that remote areas. And so these are the 4 immediate areas around the foundation. And so what I'll do show you now is the remote areas where this overflow runs to. And also here we see the spigots connected, so we can use the water here for extra activities, to wash the car or be it for watering also around the garden areas. Okay, so this is the first overflow catchment that is to the side, that is remotely away from the foundation of the house. It's a 275 gallon tote. And once this overflows, okay, here you see the overflow. And again, as I said, this runs from station number 3. Once it overflows, it runs off and it fills another tote container. So this is the overflow station number 2. So overflow station 1 comes here also, and also the station 4 from the house also runs to this water tank. Notice a little green, but it's winter, so we do not use the water that much. We see a little bit of green algae, which is not toxic, but only concern maybe clogging. So we can pour like a tad bit of bleach to help solve that problem. But normally the water doesn't stay in there that long during the summertime, so it doesn't get a chance to get to that color. And from here, it pretty much goes to those 2 blue overflow tanks, which is in total 110 gallons. And then it's continued to be a chain. And so what we see is then here it runs to the next overflow. And so that's our system and how we divert the water. That also helps to protect the immediate foundation near to the house. And this water is useful for a lot of stuff besides watering. Emergency supply, also can help with any bushfires or so forth. And so that's our setup here at Petersville Farm.